Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how you can actually grow on Twitter very easy, very fast with this new algorithm updates. Let's launch the Twitter app first. The first thing I want you to do is to click on the search on the magnifying glass on the lower center of the screen. Then you will be served with a lot of important topics over here. I want you to click on the second one, which is trending. When you're at trending, you can essentially go through the current 10 or 15 different trending topics, and I want you to click on each one of these topics, read about it, and find out something that you really can comment on. For example, let's click on Sunday vibes, right? You can simply take a participation. As you can see, somebody just published this one 8 minutes ago and they already have 553 views. As you can see, the same exact account is keep publishing. See, the spam strategy actually works, as crazy as it sounds. Very important is that you want to make sure that you're engaging in different trending topics. For example, there's Sunday vibes and there is Sunday morning. You can also click on Sunday Friday. Do you see what is currently trending? So people are actually hyped about the weekend. So think about the way in which you can contribute, publishing more content, something educational, something relaxing, something enjoyable. This is the way you can scroll and jump through different topics, different trending topics. If every day you come over and click on at least 5 to 7 different trending hashtags or trending topics and you contribute and you get people engaged, you will gain a lot of followers very fast. And let me tell you what is the best thing. The best thing is that you're gonna gain a vast majority of followers from different topics, different categories. So this weekend you have a lot of people hyped about the weekend, right? But next weekend there might be a very interesting topic about, let's say, the weather, and you might go out there and find something interesting about the weather forecast or something, what is about to happen, what is the snow expectations. And next week might be something sporty, right? Some sport events, ski competition, mountain, like hiking. You can go like some trip in the mountain. You can find every single day at least 5 different topics that you can contribute with your content. You can add value to the platform, and simply you have gotten a lot of attention. As you saw with the lady, she got 500 600 views just after posting in 8 minutes. So think about any other platform in which you can get 500 views as a small creator, right, on a very single moment when you publish. So this is the power of the platform. Also, don't forget that here people are not as distracted as other places because the feed here is mostly text. You have a text feed with some images, of course, but less videos. So you understand that the concept over here in your strategy will be to have a very good text base post, combined with some images or some short video. This is what you want to focus if you want to grow on Twitter in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.